Group for that lively entertainment. The Honorable Prime Minister and Minister for Sugar, Mr. Frank Bainimarama, Your Excellencies, the Australian and New Zealand High Commissioner, Permanent Secretary, Board Directors, sugar industry stakeholders, chiefs, distinguished guests, farmers, ladies and gentlemen. Malolele, Faeksia, Kia Orana, Kia Ora Tatou, Salam Alaikum, Sasrikal, Namaskaram, Ram Ram, good afternoon, and Nisam Bulvinaka. It's so nice to have you back here in the West for the retail packaging launch of the Sugars of Fiji.
Ladies and gentlemen, Fiji is a name that matters in the world. It stands for something permanent and valuable and inherently good. There was a time when most of the world thought of us as an exotic island paradise, and we seized that image to create one of the world's most successful and prized tourist destinations. But today, Fiji is a little bit much more than that. We have a voice on the world stage. We are a leader in the fight against climate change. We have a first-rate national airline. We have world-class athletes. Didn't produce good in the last couple of weeks, but that's okay. And we produce world-class fashion. We are an attractive place to invest. The Fiji brand today is modern. It stands for innovation and creativity. It stands for good management. It stands for strength and beauty, and above all, it stands for quality. Now that we have established this brand, we have to defend it. We have a duty to make sure that everything that carries the name of Fiji is of the highest possible quality and holds true to all of the things that Fiji stands for. A clean, natural environment, warm hospitality, and a spirit of innovation and creativity. In this way, all of the products and services that bear the name Fiji will reinforce each other and open doors for each other. Today we take one more step in bringing everything we do under one true Fiji brand, as the Fiji Sugar Corporation is reborn as Sugars of Fiji. Our sugar industry has earned the right to wear the Fiji brand, and we can now recognize the industry's successes and wholeheartedly embrace the future of quality, efficiency, and global prestige. This future doesn't just belong to the Fiji Sugar Corporation. It belongs equally to our many growers and to all of our stakeholders that are a part of our vast sugar industry. This rebrand is more than just a name change, and we have arrived at this point after working for many months to evaluate our standing in the world, strengthen the Fiji Sugar brand globally, and seek ways to leverage Fiji's unique brand position to support Fiji's oldest export product. Fiji as a brand has grown stronger and stronger over recent years. Not too long ago, we rebranded our national carrier to Fiji Airways. Fiji Visitors Bureau was rebranded to Tourism Fiji, and Airports Fiji Limited, which manages our critical gateway to the world, was rebranded as Fiji Airports. We used to have the Fiji Trade and Investment Bureau, which sounded like a sluggish government office. But now we have Investment Fiji. These institutions are all part of a seamless projection of Fiji as a modern and vibrant place for business under one name and one strong ethic of quality. Sugars of Fiji is the latest piece of this important commercial structure we are building. Everywhere we export our sugar, it will be perceived and known as a sweet-tasting, high-quality sugar from Fiji. We have harvested sugar in Fiji in 1882, and we have been manufacturing and selling high-quality sugar worldwide for more than 100 years, which is a point of great pride for us. People seek out our sugar for its quality and its unique taste. And sugar has been critical to the development of our nation. For many decades, it was the largest export and gave us an identity and a heritage as a sugar-producing nation. Today, about 250,000 Fijians either directly or indirectly benefit from this industry. It is a mainstay of our economy. But our sugar industry is now at a very significant crossroad. Faced with significant global competition that has forced us to become more efficient, to modernize, to streamline, to use fewer resources and reduce waste, and to capitalize on our strengths. I'm proud to say that we are all doing all of those things. We have mechanized the industry with more than 70 mechanical harvesters and 30 new tractors. And we have added more than 100 six-wheeler trucks to our existing transport fleet. A modern industry demands a modern brand and a modern visual identity. The Sugars of Fiji brand adopts the color of our noble banner blue, which is dear to all Fijians. It is by now a color that is recognized worldwide as belonging to Fiji. Fiji sugar, or Fijian sugar, is still the best quality and the sweetest tasting sugar around. And now every package of Fijian sugar will proudly show where it comes from. I want to congratulate the FSC team on this milestone. We have a brilliant future before us because, as I said, a brand change is not just about changing a name or developing colors and a logo. Those are just the external signs. But those external signs communicate something deeper and more important, that Fiji sugar will compete with sugar from around the world in quality, in efficient production, and in profitability. Sugars of Fiji, the only sugar mill in the Pacific, is one more way that Fiji is building its commercial reputation and strength across the Pacific and around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellencies, thank you. God bless you all.
Let us give the Honorable Prime Minister another big hand this afternoon.